Hi, I'm Mai. I'm a data engineer who fell in love with automation, and I share my projects and learning journey here to make automation more accessible for everyday use. So today I want to share with you an end-to-end workflow I built that analyze UK property flips. So this is what the end result looks like. Green means excellent deal, yellow means negotiable, and gray means walk away. The AI has already analyzed each location for context. So full transparency here. This doesn't magically analyze properties in seconds. Finding good comparables and tracking down house numbers still takes time. Human judgment is passed for that part. But automation solves some of the specific problems that happen to me, like need to do the same calculation repeatedly, have to copy paste each address into ChatGPT for area inside, and also sometimes lost the history of what property I already analyzed. So here how I use it. When I browsing property, I fill out this form each time I find something interesting. I might do it 10, 15 times in one section. Then I grab a cup of matcha and come back to review, or put it later until evening when I have more time to review it. So the benefit here is consistency and batch processing. Same logic every time. I can scan the result in about 10 seconds because of the color coding, and then decide which green and yellow ones deserve deeper research. Over time, this becomes a tracking system where I can see patterns in different areas and understand my own hit rate. So let me show you how to build it. I will not go into too much detail because I will put all the details in a document and put it in the description. So here you can see file notes, form input, normalize comparables, calculate metrics, AI summary, and save to the spreadsheet. Let me walk you through the logic. So this one is the form to collect property data. You can find zip note by click here and search for form and choose this one, n8n form. The form collect property data like URL or address and house number, and you can edit all of them here. Yeah, you still need to manually find comparable, but it will be much better, I think, than AI scratching it. So let me show you quickly how I find comparables in Rightmove. Just a random property. Go to recently sold and under offer. View on recently sold, and then do the filter. Example like last year, freehold. Just want to detach, so let's find detach. Yeah, that take 3 to 5 minutes per property, but I do it in batch mode, so it's fine. The important thing here, you need to find property that have the same condition with the property you look at. The second note is format comparables. Why we have this note? Because the problem here is I want to analyze a 5-bed property, but my comparables are 3-bed properties, so I can compare total price directly. So I think the solution is normalized by price per bedroom. So you calculate the average price per bedroom in that area, and you multiply with however many bedroom of your property. I know that it's so simplified, like square footage, bathrooms, condition all matter too, but this gives me a consistent baseline. The beauty of building your own tool, you can add those factors later. Here's all the code. So the next note is calculate flip metrics. Before the calculation, let me show you my assumption in the tab 2. So this is just personally for me, all written down like how much legal fee, survey, stamp duty, profit target, all written down, just because I want to remember them and I can modify them later if I change the strategy. So zip code will calculate maximum offer price where I still make 25k profit after all costs. The formula is here. Then it compares it max offer to the asking price. If asking is below max, the verdict is excellent because you have extra profit margin. And if asking equal max, the verdict is acceptable, exactly 25k profit. If asking it 1 to 20k over, negotiable. If asking is over 20k, you just consider it like walk away. So this gives me consistent verdicts I can scan quickly. This node calls Claude AI through OpenRouter. I send the property address and ask for 2 to 3 sentences about area. You just need to put your credential here in OpenRouter. It sounds complex, but it's actually quite easy. Don't worry, I put this in the document. So it just helps to, instead of copying 15 addresses into AI separately, it automatically generated and sitting in my spreadsheet when I review later. The cost is about 1 or 2 pence per property. Analyzing 15 properties a day costs maybe 30p total per day. And the last one here is Google Sheet. So everything saved here will be added to your spreadsheet. You just need to give credential for your account and choose a specific spreadsheet, and then you match each column manually from this left side. Yeah, that's it. So I create a completed guide document in the description. If you build something with it, I would love to see what you create. And this is a learning project I'm sharing with you here. If you spot ways to improve the logic or have questions about the setup, let me know. I'm still learning new things every day, so let's learn together. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.